Here are a couple tricks of the trade when you're doing groundwork piping. Use your little torpedo level to prop the pipe up out of the dirt. It seems pretty basic. I don't know why I don't see more people do this. I've been on a lot of job sites. Guys are struggling getting dirt all over their pipe. Second, when I glue up this Y, you're going to see me put a street 90 into it. This trench is not deep. Normally I'm working a couple feet down. That little 90 trick makes things like pitching that Y a lot easier. Just line up your hash marks on the 90 with the Y, then put your level on it properly, set your pitch. You're good to go. That way you're not standing on your head trying to read your level in the dark and everything like that. It's just a little trick. Hopefully it helps somebody.
Mongo, I'm going to show you a little hack. You've struggled with these for years. "22 years I have been struggling under sinks until I see a young man called James the plumber show that on Instagram."
Call yourself a plumber, Dodge?
Well, I'm a heating engineer, innit? I always wondered why it was half moon. I thought they were saving on materials, boy.
Let's solve this together. Usually this is a buildup of dirt that builds up on your aerator. Let's start by removing the aerator off your basin mixer. Definitely get a tool in hand, it makes the job go a lot quicker and easier. So once the aerator is off, there you can see all the dirt that has built up on the aerator. This has caused the weak pressure on the basin mixer. I'm going to be rinsing this off quite thoroughly, making sure that when I do put it back on, the pressure is back to normal and we'll be having no issues. Okay, well, I'm going to be installing it back on again. Definitely make sure that when you do screw it back on, that you do put it on tight, just to avoid any leaks from when you do turn the water back on. Cool, well, let's check the pressure. As you can see, back to normal, everything's working good. Nice job. Let's pressure and enjoy the better shower. Thank you.
All right, if you guys run into this, can't fit the roll, wrap some Teflon around a pencil. Easy as that.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a toilet handle and get more chicks. Just reach inside the tank there and remove the nut. Remember, those are reverse threads. Take that old handle out. You can see this one here is missing the rod. Just throw that in the trash. Go ahead and grab your new toilet handle, just like that one right there. Stick that in the hole, just like it was your prom date before you got a little drunk and passed out. Maybe that was just me. All right, you're going to tighten the new nut down. Remember, you will tighten this counterclockwise. Grab yourself a small pair of pliers because, after all, you're not compensating for shit. You're a plumber, and tighten that thing up. Give it a little test run. All right, now grab the chain that is on the end of the flapper. It should have a little clip like this. You can adjust that down links if you need. Stick it in the hole on the handle as close to vertical above the flapper as possible. Give that a little test run. Oh yeah, that's sexy. All right, in this video here, we used this brand of toilet handle, which is a universal handle, will work for a lot of toilets, but my suggestion to you is to remove the old handle and take it with you to Home Depot, because trust me, the guy working in the plumbing department was working in lawn and garden last week and won't even know what a toilet handle is. All right, here it shows the proper amount of slack you should have in that chain. If that chain is too tight, the flapper will not seat and it will leak. And if it is too loose, you will not get a proper flush. Now go to the bar, find yourself a single mom and tell her you can fix her toilet handle. Thank me later. I'm out.